Have you ever pondered why STEM education is gaining such prominence in today's learning landscape? As our world continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, the significance of integrating science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into our education systems has never been more apparent. Yet a surprising number of people remain in the dark about what STEM education truly encompasses and why it matters so much. But worry not, we're here to illuminate this subject for you. Let's dive deep into the realm of STEM education and shed light on its importance. STEM is an acronym that stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. But it's more than just a catchy abbreviation. STEM education is a transformative approach to traditional teaching and learning that fosters creativity and innovative thinking in all students. Not just a simple fusion of 4 subjects, STEM integrates these disciplines into a cohesive learning paradigm based on real-world applications. It breaks the traditional silos of high school education where subjects are taught separately and instead promotes a cross-disciplinary approach. In a STEM classroom, you won't see science confined to a textbook, technology limited to computing lessons, engineering as a standalone subject, or mathematics only about numbers. Instead, you'd see these 4 areas interwoven like threads in a tapestry, each one crucial to the integrity of the whole. But why such a focus on these 4 disciplines? It's because STEM is about equipping students with the skills they need to thrive in the 21st century. Critical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to innovate are no longer optional, they're essential. Through STEM, students learn to question, to probe, to discover. They become creators, innovators, and problem solvers. In a nutshell, STEM education is about preparing students for a future driven by technology and innovation. It's about nurturing a generation of thinkers who are capable of shaping the future with their ideas and their skills. So when we talk about STEM, we're talking about a powerful approach to learning that has the potential to change the world. Now that we understand what STEM education is, why is it so important? Picture a world driven by innovation, a society that thrives on technology, and an economy that's fueled by scientific discovery and technological advances. We're living in it. This is the 21st century, and it's a time when the importance of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, collectively known as STEM, cannot be overstated. STEM education is not just about learning facts and theories. It's about understanding the world around us, solving real-world problems, and preparing for a future that's yet to be written. It's about developing critical thinking skills, fostering creativity and innovation, and inspiring a love for lifelong learning. In today's digital age, STEM skills are in high demand. Jobs in these fields are growing at a faster rate than other professions. These are the jobs of the future, the ones that will drive our economy and shape our world. But it's not just about job readiness. It's about being an informed citizen in a world that's increasingly dependent on technology and data. STEM education equips students with the tools to understand and navigate this complex world. It teaches them to question, to explore, to innovate. It encourages them to think critically, to solve problems, to create. Clearly, STEM education is not just another educational trend, it's a vital element of a comprehensive education that every student needs. So how can you contribute to promoting STEM education? Well, there are countless ways. You could mentor a budding scientist, engineer, or mathematician, volunteer at the next local science fair, or better yet, initiate one. Advocate for more STEM programs in schools because we need more innovators, thinkers, and problem solvers. Be part of the change, be part of the solution. Remember, by supporting STEM education, you are not just helping individual students, you're shaping the future of our world.